Hello and welcome to Pabbly. So today in this video, we are going to discuss the top 10 Discord automations that you can set up with Pabbly Connect. So we all know Discord is one of the best platforms to create a community and communicate with them. And here we came up with a top 10 Discord automations that are going to help you a lot. So using these automations, you can automate the process of sharing a new post from your Instagram profile automatically on your Discord channel. Also, you can automate the process of sharing a new Facebook post. Automate the process like you share a new post on your Facebook page and automatically that same post will be shared on Discord. You can send Discord messages directly from the Google Sheet, like you add a new row of data into the Google Sheet and that data will be sent as a Discord message. The next automation that we are going to discuss is sharing a form response. Like you and your team member have a dedicated channel on your Discord server. Now you want that you have created some kind of online form and you want to share the form responses with your team members. So you can automate that as well. You can create a form like Google Form and then get the responses of the Google Form and send them as a message on your Discord channel and share it with your team members. Also, you can automate the process of sharing a new calendar event. For example, you and your team members are having a dedicated calendar for all the upcoming events. So whenever a new event will be created in that particular calendar or Google Calendar, automatically the details of that event will be shared on our Discord channel as a new message. The next one is going to be sharing a new file from our Google Drive folder on Discord. You can automate this process as well. So these were just some of the automation, but we will be discussing the top 10 automation because the possibilities with automation are endless. So without any further delay, let's start with this complete step-by-step guide and understand that how you can set up these top 10 automation all by yourself.
Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate Instagram and Discord. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new media is uploaded in Instagram, it will automatically create a post in Discord. Now Instagram is an awesome social networking site and Discord is an instant messaging platform. So what we are going to do is we are going to send that data from Instagram to Discord. But there is one minor problem. There is no integration between Instagram and Discord. So in cases like these, we have to bring a third app to properly connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Instagram and Discord. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen. Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com, press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will get immediate access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Instagram to Discord. Instagram to Discord. Instagram, okay. Instagram to Discord. Then click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Instagram? Instagram. Okay, so as you can see, we have two choices here. One is the simple Instagram and the other one is Instagram for business. Now I'm going to work with this one, Instagram. While if you're working with Instagram for business, you don't have to worry. The trigger events are basically the same. Okay, so I'm going to select this one, Instagram. And the trigger event will be new media posted in my account. Okay, so new media posted in my account is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new media is posted in my account, then what action should be taken by the system? At present, there is only one trigger event, that is new media posted. Now in case if you want more triggers of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to build. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new media or a new post is posted in my Instagram account. Okay, so just click on connect with Instagram. In the new credentials, just again click on connect with Instagram. Okay, so now Pabbly Connect is demanding access. Just click on allow. Okay, excellent. The authorization is successful. Just press OK. Okay, so basically we have integrated Instagram to Pabbly Connect. Now usually what happens is after choosing the app and choosing the trigger event, we just copy the webhook URL into the trigger software. But in this case, all we have to do is just click on save and send test request. So when we click on save and send test request, it will fetch the data of the recently created Instagram post. So let me take you to Instagram. So as you can see, this is the recently created Instagram post and the title is DJI Mavic Pro. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going back to Pabbly Connect and I'm just going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so as you can see, it is showing the data of the recently created Instagram post. Now the username, it is showing it as honest review 102. So this is my profile. Let me show you my profile. This is the profile honest review 102 and Pabbly Connect has captured that data. And this is the permalink. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy this whole URL and open this in a new tab. Okay, so let me do that. Okay, so as you can see, this is the same post, the recently created post, and this is the URL of that post, and the caption is DJI Mavic Pro, and this is the caption, that is DJI Mavic Pro. Excellent. So basically we have got all the details to send the message in Discord. Now to send the message in Discord, all you have to do is just click on this plus button. Okay, so when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Discord? Okay, Discord it is. Now in the action event, how about we make it as send channel message? Okay, so just click on connect with Discord. In the new credentials, just again click on connect with Discord. Okay, so I'm going to select my server. So this is the server. Continue. Okay. Okay, so I have given access to Pabbly Connect. Just click on OK. Okay, so when you click on OK, you have two blanks to fill, the webhook ID and the webhook token. So what are these and how I'm going to get this? So to explain you that, all you have to do is in between the trigger window and the action window, you have to just click on this plus button. So first we are going to get the webhook ID and the webhook token. So again in the choose app, how about we make it as Discord? But this time we are going to get the webhook ID and the webhook token. Okay, so now in the action event, how about we make it as get channel webhook? Okay, so just click on connect with Discord. Okay, so in the new credentials, just again click on connect with Discord. Okay, you know the drill, just click on continue, enter. Okay, we have given access, authorization is successful. Okay, so in the channel it is showing it as text channels, and when we explore this list, this is the drop down. These are all the channels that is present in my Discord account. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select a particular channel. Let's say red and blue. This is a channel in my Discord account, and this is the webhook associated with this particular channel. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a new channel. For you to understand it better, I'm going to create a new channel. So I'm just going to click on create a new channel, and the channel name is new Instagram post. Instagram post. Okay, so this is the channel name, new Instagram post. Then click on create channel. Okay, so a new channel called as Instagram post has been created. So let me go to Pabbly Connect, and since Pabbly Connect is integrated with Discord, any variation that is bought in Discord will be reflected here. So in the drop down, after I refresh it, you can expect to find the newly created channel, that is new Instagram post. So let me see. Okay, yes, we do have a newly created channel, that is new Instagram post. So we are selecting this. Okay, so as you can see, there is no webhook here. This is because since it is a newly created channel, we didn't create a webhook. So first we are going to create a webhook. So let me go back to my channel. Okay, just click on this gear button, click this. So this is the settings page of this particular channel. I'm going to go to this part called as integrations. Click this. Okay, so as you can see, there is no webhooks. That is why it was reflecting 0 webhooks. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on create webhook. Okay, so we are going to give a name to this webhook. I'm going to give the name as flower. Just a random name, that's all. Flower. Okay. Okay, so yes, we have named the webhook. Just click on Save Changes. Okay, so a webhook called as Flower has been created. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going back to Pabbly Connect and let me refresh this. So as you can see, you can find the webhook that is Flower. Okay, so the channel is a new Instagram post and the webhook is Flower. So when I just click on save and send test request, it will show all the data regarding this webhook. So let me do that. Okay, so the API response is showing all the data that we need. For example, we have the webhook ID. This is the webhook ID. Basically, we have to copy this webhook ID and paste it here. Okay, and also we want the webhook token. So where is our webhook token? So let's have a look. Okay, so yeah, this is our webhook token. This whole thing is our webhook token. So basically, we have to map all this data into this particular window. So let me again just click on connect with Discord. Okay, so this is the recent one. So just click on save. Okay, as you can see, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of this blank is very simple. We are going to create a message from the data that we have received from Instagram via Pabbly Connect. So first of all, we just map the details regarding the webhook ID and the webhook token. So first we will deal with these two. So in the webhook ID, just click on this button. So let me introduce you to this button. This is called as the mapping button. And when we click this, you can find all the data that we have received as API response. So as you can see, this is the ID we want. So we have mapped it. Excellent. Similarly, in the webhook token, just click on this mapping button and just scroll down. And we have the token. This is the token we want. So we have entered the webhook ID and we have entered the webhook token. Now coming to the message. So how about we type the message as a new post has been created in Instagram, and let's map the name of the post, and the name of the post is DJI Mavic Pro. So we have mapped it, and then and this is its permalink. Okay, so this is the link. So this was the link, permalink. Okay, a new post has been created in Instagram, and this is the caption, DJI Mavic Pro, and this is the permalink. And coming to this part called as text to speech, I'm keeping it as false. Now the bot name, I'm just going to type in the name of my profile, that is honest reviews 102. Okay, now coming to this part called as bot icon, I'm just leaving it as empty. So basically we have filled sufficient details to send a message in Discord. So let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so let me remove this. Okay, we do have a message. A new post has been created in Instagram DJI Mavic Pro, and this is its permalink. So when we click on this link, you can find the recently created post. Yes, this is the recently created post. Excellent. So the presence of this particular message shows that we have successfully integrated Instagram and Discord with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check if our integration is working fine or not. But before we do that, let me take you back to Pabbly Connect to explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to minimize my action window. I'm going to minimize this action window, and I'm going to minimize this trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Instagram to Pabbly Connect, and then you have used the action window to connect Discord to Pabbly Connect, and you have got the channel webhook. And then you have used another action window to connect Discord to Pabbly Connect to send the channel message. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Instagram and Discord. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create one more post in my Instagram channel. Okay, so we have made one more post, that is Samsung phone review. This is the recently created post. So let's have a look in Discord. Do we have a message concerning the same? So I'm refreshing it. Okay, so as you can see, we have got the message. A new post has been created in Instagram, Samsung phone review, and this is its permalink. So let's have a look in the link. Okay, so this is our post. Excellent. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a new post is made in Instagram, it will be reflected as a message in Discord.
Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to post your Telegram messages on your Discord channel automatically. So guys, what we are going to do is we will transfer the data of a new message from Telegram to Discord, right? So Telegram is a free and open source instant messaging application, and Discord is a social application designed to create communities. So both applications are used to connect with large number of audiences, right? Now suppose that you are a YouTuber or you are working in a company which creates and publishes videos on YouTube on daily basis, right? So when a new video get published, you want to send a message with a group here on your Telegram informing the group members about a new video get published. Also you want to inform the members of your Discord community about the same new video. Alright. Now to get this done you have two ways. One is to manually compose the message for each and every new video and then send it here on Telegram and then on Discord. Now this process can be very repetitive and time consuming by going this way, right? So we have a better way for you. What if I tell you that as and when a new video get published and you send a message about that video informing the group members of Telegram that a new video is published on YouTube, the same message get delivered automatically on your Discord community as a new message as well. Yes, this can happen, and this can be done by connecting Telegram with Discord. But the issue is there is no direct connection or integration present between Discord and Telegram. So to connect these two applications, I am using a software called as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software, and the best part of it is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge to make this connection between Telegram and Discord. So guys, first of all, let me give you a demo on my screen of how this connection between Telegram and Discord is going to work and help you in real time. So guys, this is my Telegram group created for my YouTube subscribers, right? And the name of our group is Wisdom Hub Studio Fans. And this is my Discord account. Here I have this text channel with the name as General. So what I'm going to show you is that I will type a message here for my Telegram group members informing about a new video, and then we will see if the same message get delivered here in my Discord channel or not. Alright, so first of all let me go to my Telegram group, and here I am typing hello viewers, we have just uploaded a new video, please do have a look. Here is the link. Alright, now here I am going to paste the link of my video. And alright, here I have sent this message in the Telegram group of mine, and let's see in the Discord if it receives. Alright, as you can see, just in front of you we have received this message with the same message as hello viewers, we have just uploaded a new video, please do have a look, here is the link. Alright, so this is how it's going to work in real time when you connect Telegram with your Discord. So now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this message from Telegram to Discord directly without any manual compilation of this message here in Discord. So guys, let me give you the quickest and easiest steps by which you can also make this connection or integration between Telegram and Discord. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between Telegram and Discord. So step 1 is connect Pabbly Connect to Telegram with the help of a new bot. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and then create a new bot here in Telegram and connect Telegram with Pabbly Connect. Second step, Second step is collect the data from Telegram in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we'll bring the data from our Telegram group here in our Pabbly Connect. Alright. And step 3, send the same data to Discord from Pabbly Connect. So in step 3, we will send the data from Pabbly Connect to Discord as a new message. Alright. So let us jump to our first tab and open Pabbly Connect. So guys, first of all, open your browser and type in the search bar Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. So guys, this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, come to this products and click on this connect. After this, you can set up your free account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up for free. This I have already done, so I'm just clicking on sign in. So this is the all apps section of Pabbly. From here, come to this connect panel and click on access now. Alright, after this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, you have to create a workflow to start working. So click here on this blue button, click create workflow. Here, give a suitable name to your workflow. So I'm giving it as Telegram group to Discord channel. Alright, now I'm clicking on create. So as your workflow get created, you will see these two things. First, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these two things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect do this. Alright. As in our use case, the trigger would be a new Telegram message and the action would be a new message in our Discord channel. Alright. So first of all, I'm clicking here on the trigger. So from the choose app, choose your application as Telegram bot. This is it. Select this Telegram bot. After this, it will ask for the trigger event. So just click here on and select this set webhooks / watch updates. Alright. After this connect button will appear. So just click on this connect button. And for the first time, you have to select this add new connection. And then it will ask for the token here. Right. So you have to enter a token here for connecting your Telegram with Pabbly Connect. And to get this token, you have to follow these steps. So these steps are you have to go to Telegram and search for the bot father. And then you have to create a new bot, give it a name as a new bot and enter a username also. Alright. So let me show you how it's going to be done. I'm opening my Telegram and in the search bar, I'm searching for the bot father. Alright, so select this blue tick bot father and here start your conversation. So it will send you this. So to create a bot, you have to enter something like this /new bot. Alright, so just type /new bot. Alright, now it is asking how are we going to call it. So please choose a name for your bot. So you can choose any name. I am choosing for now automatic. Alright. Alright. Now it is asking now let's choose a username. Now you have to choose a username of your bot and it must be something like this. It must end in bot like this, Tetris bot or Tetris_bot. So let me just type it as automatic _ telegram _1 bot, something like this. Alright, so we are done. It is showing congratulations on your new bot. You will find it at this link. Alright, you can find your bot at this link, and here is the access token we needed. Alright, so just copy this token from here like this and paste it here in this token field in Pabbly Connect. Alright, now click on this save, and you can see the connected is written here. So our first step is completed, that our Telegram group is connected with Pabbly Connect. So what was our second step? So our second step is collect the data from Telegram in Pabbly Connect. So now we are going to send the Telegram data to Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's do this. So as you can see, connected is written here, and now I'm going to click on this save and send test request. Alright, now it is showing waiting for response. That means now you have to fill some data in Telegram, send a message in Telegram, then the data will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Alright, so let's go to our Telegram, and here let's create a group first. Alright, let me just open my bot first. So here is the link to open the bot. Click on this link. Alright, so this is our bot automatic, and click on this start button here. Alright, now you can see your bot in your conversation thread like this also. Right, now let me create a new group. So you have to add your bot as a member of this group. Remember this, and you have to make this member as an admin of your group also. So search for your bot from here. This is the bot. So add this bot in the group. Now name your group. You can give any name. I am giving it as YouTube Family. Alright. And yeah, the group is created, and you can make the your bot as a admin of this group by your cell phone easily. So you just do this. Alright, now we are going to type the message here. So I'm typing it like this: hello YouTube family, welcome to this group. Here we post new video published on our YouTube channel. Our first video of the day is, and here you can paste the link of your any video like this. Alright, so I have completed the message, so I'm sending this like here. Alright, so I have sent the first message in our group. Now let's get back to Pabbly Connect and let's see if it fetched something. Alright, so it captures this type of response. As you can see, the message chat title, this is the message group, and the text message, the message date, and all other things. Alright, so we have received the data from our Telegram group to our Pabbly Connect. So our second step is also completed. Now let's see what was our third and final step. So the third and final step is send the same data to Discord from Pabbly Connect. Alright, so we are now going to send the data we have collected in Pabbly Connect to Discord as a new message. Alright, let's do. Now from here, click on this action button and then choose your application as Discord. Here it is. After this, it will ask for the action event. So select this, send channel message. Alright, now click on this connect button and it is showing connected, and after this these fields will open up. Alright, so first field is the webhook URL field. So here you have to paste the webhook URL and you will get the webhook URL from your Discord account. Alright, so let us jump to our Discord account and just click on this edit channel icon. From your text channel, go to this edit channel icon, click here and you will find these options. From here, go to this integrations option and then come to this webhooks option and click on view webhooks. Alright, so these are the existed webhooks here. You can create a new webhook by this button. Just click on new webhook. Alright, so a new webhook is created. From here you can name your webhook as you want. So I am giving it as Telegram message. Alright, and click on this save changes and then click here copy webhook URL. Alright, so our webhook is copied. Now come back to our Pabbly Connect and in this field just paste it like this. Alright, so the next step is the message. Here you have to map the or enter the message. Now when I click here, you will find this option, Telegram bot set webhooks watch updates. And as I'm going to click here, you will find some data. Alright, so this is the data Pabbly Connect have already captured. Yeah, I can show you. This is the same data here we have captured in the second step. Alright, so you will find all this data here also in this message field when you click here like this. Alright, so just map this message from this message text. Alright, because this is the same message we want to send to our Discord also. So just click here and we map the message. Now you can give the bot name which is going to deliver this message in your Discord channel. So I am giving it as Telegram group bot. Alright, or just Telegram group. You can give an icon to your bot, an image to your bot if you want. For now I'm leaving it blank, but if you want you can paste the URL of that image here that you want to have for your bot icon. In the text to speech option you can enable or disable it. If you enable it, your bot will read the message aloud for you and your team. Alright, for now I do not want my bot to read the message for me, so I am keeping it as disable. Alright, so after this we are completed our process. Just click on save and send test request to check if the connection is working properly or not with our Discord. Alright, so let us see if this message get delivered to our Discord or not. Alright, you can see we have received this message here. Hello YouTube family, welcome to this group, and this is the YouTube's link. And so this is the same message I have typed here to my YouTube family group in Telegram, and it after the connection we made in Pabbly Connect, we have the same message here in our Discord channel as well. So this is how it is going to work. So let me give you a quick recap what I have done here. So in the trigger option, we selected our application as Telegram bot. Then we select the trigger event. Then we make the connection, and for that we made a bot. I have already told you the whole procedure here. After this, we collected the data from Telegram group, and in the last step we have sent the same data to our Discord channel. Alright, so we are done connecting Telegram with our Discord. So just click on save here. Hello and welcome everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically send your Facebook page posts to your Discord channel. Alright, so guys, as you already know that Facebook is one of the biggest social media platforms out there, in which you can create communities and connect with mass audience. And Discord is a social application also designed to create communities but here you can connect with audience with voice calls, video chats, also send files and folders in private as well as a part of communities called as servers. Now, let us imagine that you run a media company or you are a social influencer, and to connect with your audience you have created a Facebook page which have thousands of people, right? So to engage them you post about 20 posts daily on your Facebook page. But this is not the only social media you have to look after. You have other social media platforms to look after also. Just like this, you have a Discord channel as well, in which you connect with your audience. Now, you want the updates and content that you have uploaded on Facebook, the same content should be shared with your Discord channel also. So, to manually composing each and every post here on Facebook, then on Discord can be very problematic and time consuming process. So guys, we have a better solution for you. What if I tell you that as and when a new post is added or posted here on your Facebook page, a new message with the link of the same Facebook page and the post itself get delivered here on your Discord channel community automatically. So guys, this can be done, but there is a problem. There is no direct connection present between Facebook and your Discord. So to make this connection between Facebook and Discord, I am using a software called as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software, and the best part of it is that you will not require any coding skills and programming knowledge to make this connection between Facebook and Discord. So guys, first of all, let me give you a demo on my screen that how this connection between Facebook and Discord is going to work in real time.
So guys, this is my Facebook page and the name of my page is AnyTech Solutions. Alright, so this is my page and this is my Discord account, and here I have a text channel with the name of General. So what I'm going to show you is I will create a new post here on my Facebook page, and then we will see according to this post a new message get delivered here from my text channel like this or not. So first of all, let me go to my Facebook page, and from here I am creating a post like this. So I'm writing here, hey folks, check out our new logo. Alright, and I am attaching a photo here like this. Alright, now I am clicking on post. Alright, so here it is, a new post is created on my Facebook page like this. Now we will see in my Discord account a new message get delivered from my text channel or not. So guys, as you can see, a new message is here on my text channel like this. Facebook page bought a new post on Facebook page, and this is the link, and this is the image link, and this is the content. Hey folks, check out our new logo. So when I click here, you will see, so it will bring us to the same post that I have created, and when you click on the image link, it will show you the image that I posted on my Facebook page. So guys, this is how it's done. Now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this information from my Facebook page onto my Discord channel without any manual compilation of this message, and that too in real time instantly. Alright, so guys, let me give you the quickest and easiest steps so that you can also make this automation or connection between Facebook page and Discord. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between Facebook page and Discord. So step 1 is connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook page. So in first step, we will open up Pabbly Connect and connect our Facebook page with Pabbly Connect. Step 2. Collect the data from Facebook page in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we will bring the data from our Facebook page to Pabbly Connect. Step 3. Step 3 is send the same data from Pabbly Connect to Discord to send the message. So in third step, we will send the collected data from Pabbly Connect here to Discord as a new message. Alright. So first of all, let me jump to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So first of all, you have to open your browser and type Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. So this is the landing page of pabbly.com. Here you have to come to this products option and click on this connect button. After this, you can set up your free account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button, which I have already done, so I'm just clicking on sign in. Alright, so this is the all apps section of Pabbly. From here, come to this connect panel and click on access now. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. To start working here, you have to create a workflow. So click on create workflow. And from here you have to give a name to your workflow. So I am giving it as Facebook page post to Discord message. Alright. Now just click on create. So as a workflow get created, you will find these two things here, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these two things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect do this. As in our use case, the trigger would be a new post on Facebook page and the action would be a new message from our Discord channel. Alright, so first of all, let me click here on the trigger option, and from the choose app, choose your application as Facebook pages. Here it is. Alright, after this it will ask for the trigger event. So our trigger event would be a new post. So just select this new post here. Alright, after this connect button will appear. Just click on this connect button and this window will open up. From here, select this add new connection and then click on this connect with Facebook pages button. Alright, so our first step is completed. We connected our Facebook page to Pabbly Connect. As you can see, the connected is written here. Now let me show you my Facebook page. Here I have many pages created on Facebook. So these are the pages that I have created previously on Facebook. Now when you come to this Pabbly Connect and this field will appear, when you click here, you will find all those pages that I have created in this drop down menu like this. So these are the list of the same pages that I have created here in my Facebook page. Alright. Now for this task, I have created the page and the name of the page is any text solution. So for this task, I am selecting this page, any text solution. Alright. Also you can see a page access token is created here or generated here. Now this is generated. That means we are now authorized to collect the information from our Facebook page to our Pabbly Connect account. Alright. So what was our second step? Let me show you. So our second step was to collect the data from Facebook page in Pabbly Connect. So we are going to collect the data from our Facebook page to Pabbly Connect now. Alright, so let's do this. So guys, now I want to collect the data from my Facebook page to my Pabbly Connect. So first of all, let me jump back to my Facebook page and create a new post here. And then we will try to collect the data so that we can see if our connection is working properly or not. So I am typing here, guys, please provide your feedbacks on the new logo design in the comments. Alright, now let me attach the same photo here again. Alright, so this is the message and this is the post I have compiled. Now I'm clicking on post. Alright, so a new post is created here like this. Now let's come back to Pabbly Connect, and now I am clicking on this save and send test request button. When I click this, Pabbly Connect will fetch the data from our Facebook page to here. Alright, so let me just click this. Now you can see here this type of data is collected by Pabbly Connect. You can see the name of the page, Anytext Solutions, and this is the picture link, and this is the icon, and this is the message or post I have written. And all other information is collected here like this. Alright, so our second step is also completed. Now let me show you what was our third step. So the step 3 is send the same data from Pabbly Connect to Discord to send the message. Alright, now the data we have collected here in our Pabbly Connect, we will send the same data to Discord as a new message. Alright, so let's do this. Now from here, click on this action button, and from the choose app, you have to choose your application as Discord. So this is Discord. And then it will ask for the action event. So what we want as action, we want a new message to get delivered from our channel. So just select this send channel message, and then you will see this button. Just click on this connect button. Alright, here you can see it is showing connected. That means we are connected with our Discord channel. After this, you will find these fields, the webhook URL, message, and all other fields. So the first field is webhook URL. So we have to go to our Discord account and copy the webhook URL from our Discord account and paste it here. So let me just go to my Discord account, and here from this text channel, click on this edit channel or settings icon. Just click here. After this, you will see these options, and from here click on this integrations option. Alright, after this you will find this webhooks option, so click on this view webhooks button. Alright, so these are the already created webhooks of mine, and you can create a new webhook by clicking this button, new webhook. Alright, so a new webhook is created. You can name your webhook. I am giving it as Facebook page webhook. Alright, now I'm clicking on save changes. After this, just click on this copy webhook URL. Alright, so our webhook URL is copied. So come back to our Pabbly Connect, and here in your webhook URL field, just paste this. Alright, so we are done pasting our webhook URL, and now come to this message field. Alright, now here you have to compile the message that you want to send here in your Discord channel. Alright, so you can compile the message as hello, a new post is created on Facebook, and after this I want to have the link of the post of my Facebook page post. So to have the link here, you just click here and you will see this option, Facebook pages new post. Alright, so when you click on this, you will find this information. So this information is the same information we have collected in our Pabbly Connect in the second step, like this. Alright, so this is the same information you will find out here also. When you click on this message field and click on this Facebook pages new post, you will find these information. So you just have to map this information here. So what I want now, I want the link of my Facebook page post. So here is the link you can find. After this share, you will find this shareable link. Alright, so just select this, and now if you want to add another line in your message, you have to put a line breaker here. So to put a line breaker, just have this angle brackets and type BR like this. Alright, when you put this BR between angle brackets, you got a new line on your message. Alright, now in the new line I want to have the link of the logo. Alright, so I am writing the image link is, and here I am going to map the link of the image from this options only. Alright, you can find the, alright, so this is the full picture link. Just select this full picture link. Alright, now I want another line, so I am putting another line break, and now I want the message or what I have written in my Facebook post. So this is the message. First of all, let me type the message is and here I am going to map this message. Alright, so I am done compiling my message. After this, you can give the name of your bot who is going to display this message on your Discord channel. So I am giving the name of the bot as Facebook page. Alright, so I'm giving the bot name as Facebook page. You can have the bot icon as a unique icon for your bot also. You can paste the URL of the image as you want to have the bot icon. For now I am leaving this blank, and this text to speech option, if you enable this, your bot will read out aloud your message to you and your members you have in your Discord channel. For now I am disabling this as I do not want my bot to read the message for me. Alright, so we are done connecting our Discord with Pabbly Connect, and we compiled the message. So what was our third step? Our third step was to send the data from Pabbly Connect to our Discord channel as a new message. Alright, so now I am clicking on this save and send test request, and we will find a new message here on our Discord channel. Alright, so let me just click on save and send test request. Alright, now let me show you my Discord channel, and here you can see a new message is appeared like this, and with the same compilation as I have entered. Hello, a new Facebook post is created. This is the link, this is the image link, and when you click here you will jump to your Facebook page post. Alright, so this is how it is going to work. Now we are done, and we have actually connected our Facebook page and our Discord channel. So let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So in the trigger option, I have selected my application is Facebook pages. We selected the trigger event, we connect, then we send the test response by this clicking on save and send test request and collected the data from Facebook page to Pabbly Connect like this. Alright. Then in the action button, we select our application as Discord and then this action event, and we come with the webhook URL to paste it here. We compile the message like this and all other fields like this, and then we click on this save and send test request, and we will find this that our connection with our Discord channel is also working fine. Alright, so just click on save and we are done.
Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Google Sheets and Discord. So the use case here is, whenever a new row is added in Google Sheets, automatically send channel message in Discord. Now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Google Sheets is an online spreadsheet program, whereas Discord is an online chat and communication platform. The issue here is that Google Sheets and Discord don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an integration platform which helps us to transfer data from Google Sheets to Discord. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
So here I am at Google, and now what I'm going to do is I'll go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section over here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, so now because I've already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. You just have to clone the template of the workflow. The link for the same is available in the description below the video. Once you clone the template, you will immediately get access to this workflow right in your account. So now I'm going to scroll down, and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and you can see we have so many workflows already created over here. So now I'm going to create a new workflow by clicking on this Create Workflow button. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow, and I'm going to name it as Google Sheets to Discord. Okay, so now I'm going to create it. Now I'm going to click on Create. Okay, so now here, first in Choose App, I am going to choose Google Sheets. Okay, so now in Trigger Event, according to our workflow, whenever a new row is added to the Google Sheet, we want to send a channel message in Discord. That is why new spreadsheet row will be our trigger event over here. Now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger event? Let me tell you that automations run on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, whenever a new row is added to the Google Sheets, we want to send channel message in Discord. That is why new spreadsheet row in Google Sheets will be our trigger event, whereas sending channel message in Discord will be our action event. So now after choosing the app and after choosing the trigger event, you can see a webhook URL written over here, and you can also see a URL displayed over here. Now you might again ask me, what is this webhook URL and how is it helpful for us? Let me tell you that webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook URL helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So what you actually do is, after choosing the app and after choosing the trigger event, we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is Google Sheets in our case. So now you can see the instruction written over here carefully and you can just follow them. So now what I'm going to do is, I have already created a Google Sheet over here. You can see I've already created this sheet. I have given a name to this sheet and I've also created the field headings. So now in order to set the webhook inside the Google Sheets, first you have to go to this add-ons option over here and you can see get add-on. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so now here in search apps, you have to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks, this one. And then you have to install this add-on. Now because I've already installed, I'm just going to close it. And here in add-ons, when you install, you can see this option called Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Now what you have to do is you have to click on Initial Setup. Okay, so now in Initial Setup, you can see a heading called Webhook URL. So here you have to paste the webhook URL that you got from Pabbly Connect, that is this one. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, now in trigger column, you have to enter the last column of your sheet. The last column in the sense, the last column of your data. So here I only have two columns, that is A and B. That is why my trigger column is going to be B, because that is my last column of my information. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to click on Send Test. Okay, now because there is no row, that is why this is showing as no data found in row 2. Now I'm just going to click on Submit. Okay, so now before going further, you have to again go to add-ons option, and here you can see Send on Event. So you need to click on Send on Event because now we want every time a new data is entered in the Google Sheet, the information should go to Pabbly Connect. We want to trigger it. That is why I am going to click on it. Okay, so now when you see here, you can see a tick mark in front of Send on Event. Okay, so now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and now I'm going to click on Capture Webhook Response. So now it is waiting for webhook response. That means it is time to write new information here in Google Sheet. So the text message is going to be, hello everyone. This is our first step integration for Sheets and Discord. Okay. Now bot name I am going to write Google Sheets. Okay, so I have written a message and I have also given a bot name. Now let us go back to Pabbly Connect, and now we are going to check if Pabbly Connect has captured this information or not. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. So you can see Pabbly Connect has got the webhook response. I'll just extend this. So you can see, hello everyone, this is our first step integration for Google Sheets and Discord. Bot name is Google Sheets. Now I'll just save it. Okay, so here we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integration of Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Now we are going to begin with our second step integration where we will integrate Discord and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here. And now here in Choose App, I am going to choose Discord. Now in action event, according to our workflow, whenever a new row is added in Google Sheets, we want to send channel message. That is why send channel message will be our action event over here. You can see we have various other action events available. You can select whichever action event you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the action event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. Now I am going to click on send channel message because this is our action event over here. Now I am going to click on connect with Discord. Okay. Now you can see under credentials, you have two options. Either you can create new credentials by connecting with Discord, or you just can select any existing credentials like this. So here I let it be new credentials and I'm going to connect with Discord. So I've already logged into my Discord account. So here I am just going to select a server, continue, and I'm going to allow it. You don't have to worry about your information. Everything is 100% safe and secure with Pabbly Connect. Okay. So now you can see we have some empty fields over here and we have to fill the information according to our webhook response. So first you can see it is asking us for the webhook ID and webhook token. So you can read, enter webhook ID associated with your channel. From get channel webhooks method, you can get your existing webhook ID and webhook token. So in order to get your webhook ID and webhook token, you have to add an action step over here and you have to use get channel webhooks method. So I'm going to add an action step over here. I'm again going to choose Discord. And now here in action event, get channel webhook, connect with Discord. So here now I'm going to use my existing credential that I used before. So I'll choose this one, save. Okay, so here it is asking us for the channel name and the webhook. If I go back to my Discord account, you can see I have 4 channels already created over here. If you want, you can also create a new channel. I'll show you. I'm going to name it as Google Sheets -Discord, create channel. Okay, so I've created this channel over here. So now what I'm going to do is I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. I'll refresh this. So now let us choose our channel, that is this one, Google Sheets to Discord. I'm going to choose it. Now it is asking us for the webhook. So in order to put your webhook, you have to first go and set your webhook inside your channel. So here you can see this is our channel. So I am going to click on this edit channel option. And here you can see integrations. So now I'm going to create a webhook. Okay, let me name it as integration. Okay, save changes. Okay, so I've added this webhook called integration over here, and that is in the channel Google Sheets Discord. Now I'll go back. I'm just going to refresh it once. So you can see it has already mapped the integrations. So now here, if you create more than one webhook, then you will get an option of selecting any one of them. Here I'll let it be integration. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So you can see we have got our API response. You can see our webhook ID is over here. If you come down, you can also see our token. Our token is over here. You can see we have the token also. I'll just save this now. Okay. I'm just going to connect it again so that our workflow gets refreshed. So now we are going to map our webhook ID and token that we got from API 2. So webhook ID. Here is the ID. I'm going to map this. Webhook token. Let us search for the token. Token is here. I'll map it. Okay. Now message text. So now you have to add the message text and the bot name that we have already got from our Google Sheets. That is here. So I'm just going to map these details. So message text, that is here. Text to speech, I let it be false. Bot name, we have the bot name here. Okay. Bot icon, if you want, you can also choose a bot icon. I'm just going to leave it blank. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So you can see we have got our API response. That means we have successfully finished our integration of Google Sheets and Discord here. Now let us go back to Discord, and now we are going to check if we have got a new message there or not. So I'll go to my Discord and I'm just going to close it. So you can see we have a new message over here. Hello everyone, this is our first step integration for Google Sheets and Discord. And the same I wrote in Google Sheets as well. And you can also see the bot name is Google Sheets. So we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So what I'm going to do is I'll go back to my Google Sheets and I'm going to write new information over here. This is my second message regarding the integration of Google Sheets Discord. Okay, so I have written this message over here. Now bot name is going to be integration. Okay. So I have created a new row over here. Now we'll go back to Discord and now we are going to check if we have got a new message there or not. So I'll go back to Discord. So you can see we have a new message over here. This is my second message regarding the integration of Google Sheets and Discord. You can even see the bot name has changed, that is integration. So we have successfully finished the integration and our integration is working fine. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and now I'm going to explain you what has happened in our example. I'll just minimize these action steps. Okay. So in our example, what has happened is first the information came from Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect. Then from Pabbly Connect, the information went to Discord. So now every time a new row is added in Google Sheets, automatically a channel message will be sent in Discord. So we have successfully finished the integration of Google Sheets and Discord using Pabbly Connect.
In this video, we are going to see how to auto-forward Telegram messages to Discord. Now, let's say you're using Telegram as an instant messaging app and you want that every time there is a new message, the same message should be shared with your team or clients on Discord. Now, how would you do that? For this, you will have to integrate these two applications and you can do the same with the help of Pabbly Connect software. Now, here your trigger application would be Telegram and your action application would be Discord. Now, how would you do it yourself? For that, let me take you to my screen.
So let us begin with the process. The first thing that we have to do is we have to type the URL pabbly.com/connect, and as we click on enter, it has taken us to the landing page of this software. On the right hand side, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, you can simply click on sign in, and if you are a new user, then you will have to sign up for free by clicking on this tab. At the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks. Now, since I'm an existing user, I'm simply going to sign in. And now it has taken me to the All Apps page. Here, since we are doing this integration using Pabbly Connect, let's click on Access Now. And now this page has appeared, which is the dashboard of the software. On the right hand side, you can see a tab, Create Workflow. I'm going to click on this, and a dialog box appears which is asking us to name this workflow. Now here we wish to send Telegram messages on Discord to our team. So I'm going to name this as Telegram to Discord integration. Let's click on Create. Now as we do that, finally this particular page has appeared, which has got two very important events, trigger and action. Triggers and actions are basically those two principles or concepts on which this entire automation works. Trigger is when this happens, and action says do this. Action is basically the response of trigger. Now here the first trigger application would be Telegram. So let's click on this Telegram bot. And now the trigger event, so there is just one, set webhook watch updates. I'm going to click on this and then click on connect. Now here Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with Telegram bot account. I've already logged into my Telegram account. I'm going to click on add new connection, and now it is asking for a token. And for this token, I'm going to take you to my Telegram account. Here you have to first look for bot father. So I'm going to click on this. Now let's start the conversation. And here to start a conversation and to create a new bot, I have to type /new bot. Let's click on enter. So here it is saying that yes, we can create a new bot, and now we have to name it. So let's say that the name is Discord T123. This is the name of my bot. And now it is asking to choose a username for my bot. So it is Discord T123. Your username should always end with _bot. So let's write this. And now here you can see that use this token to access. So basically this is the token that we need. This is the key. I'm going to copy this, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste it here, and then click on save. So once done, now I'm going to click on save and send test request. And now it is saying that you will have to do a test submission so that you can capture the response. Again, I'm going to take you back to Telegram, and here see, we have just created a new bot. So this is the new bot that I've just created. And now I'm going to start the conversation. As soon as I start the conversation, you can see that the bot is in the chat box now. Now I have to create a new group. So I'm going to click on this and click on new group. And here I'm going to add a few members. So once added, now I also have to add my bot. So I'm going to look for my bot. So this is the bot Discord T123. And now let's click on enter. As soon as we do that, here we have to name our group. So let's say the name of the group is Telegram Discord 123. Now I'm going to click on enter. So once the group is created, with the help of your phone, you will have to make your bot the admin. So now I'm going to do the same. So now I have promoted my bot to admin. And once this is done, I'm going to type a message. So let's say it is, hello team, we will gather for a quick catch up at 3 p.m. today. Regards. Now I'm going to click on enter. So here you can see that I have sent a message, which means that now if I go back to Pabbly Connect, I should get the API response. And so here you can see that we have received the API response, and this is the chat title. Then we have the chat ID. Here you can see that we also have the message text. So this is the text. So basically now what do I have to do? I have to send this message on Discord. So my next action application would be Discord. Let's click on this. And the action event would be to send a channel message HTML. Let's click on this and connect. So once done, now here you can see that it is asking for a webhook URL because this is going to act as a bridge in connecting the two applications. And here you can see this edit channel. So these are the channels that we have, and this is edit channel. So I'm going to click on this, and once done I have to go to integrations, and then we'll go to webhooks, and then we are going to create a new webhook. And here I'm going to name my webhook as Telegram Discord 123. And now I'm going to save changes and then copy this webhook URL. So once copied, go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we are going to paste it. So this is done. Now the message. For this message, we are going to map the data from the previous step, which means mapping basically means to receive the data or retrieve the data from the previous steps. So I'm going to click on this, and the message is this. So we have mapped it. Then the bot name. So now basically bot name is going to be the group name. So I can write here as Telegram to Telegram Discord group. And this is the bot name. You can even give it a bot icon, like you can add an image or GIF or etc. I'm going to leave this blank for now, and now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So here you can see that the application has been processed. Now let's go quickly to our Discord account and check if this has received a message. So I'm going to click on escape here, and here you can see that yes, Telegram Discord group has been created. This is the bot, and we have received a message. So what does this mean? This means that Telegram and Discord, these two applications have got completely integrated, but we need to check this in real time as well. So here I'm going to write another message. My message would be, hello team, it was great to talk to you all. We wish to strengthen our bond and reach our common goal soon. Okay, so this is just a motivation thing. Strengthen our bond. And now I'm going to write regards. And now we'll check if I send this message, what should happen? I should receive the same message on Discord. So I'm going to press on enter, and now going to check my Discord channel. So here you can see that yes, we have received a message. Hello team, it was great to talk to you all. We wish to strengthen our bond and reach our common goal soon. Regards. Now this basically means that our entire process is a success. The two applications have got integrated, and now we are going to quickly check what was the process. So this is just a two-step integration process. The first application, trigger application, was Telegram bot, where our event was set webhook watch updates, and the second application was Discord, and the event was send channel message HTML. In case of any doubts, you can refer to the workflow. The same workflow is given in the description box of this video, and you can even clone this workflow and process immediately. In case you have any other suggestion or advice, you can always write to us.
Hello everyone. So in this video, we will learn how to send new Google Drive files to Discord channel. So imagine this, you are uploading the images into Google Drive. So the idea is that once an image or a file is uploaded in Google Drive, the link of the image or the file will be shared in Discord, so that your team members or your followers can use it. So here you have two choices. The first choice is download the image or the file from Google Drive and upload or share it on Discord manually. Now this approach is actually very repetitive and tiresome, considering you will be uploading many images or files in Google Drive. So here I would suggest that you bring in some automation, so that when a file is created or uploaded in Google Drive, automatically send the file link on Discord. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Google Drive and Discord. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you with an example. Okay, so this is my Google Drive, and what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to upload an image. So let me just upload an image. So let me go to file upload, and I'm going to upload some image of a car. Let's say I'm going to upload, let me just go to the quick access, and here I'm just going to upload an image. Okay, how about Bugatti? Okay, so this is a PNG image. Okay, remember I have kept a PNG image, and this is of Bugatti Chiron. So it is getting uploaded. Okay, so pretty much it is uploaded. Excellent. Now the idea is that in our Discord we will be getting a message. So let me just take you to Discord. Okay, and the idea is that we will be getting the message that this link has been, this file or this image has been uploaded, and the link will be present there. So the Discord is loading. Okay, so as you can see, we do have the link of the image in Discord. So let us explore the link. I have switched on this link. Okay, so this is the link. Let it load. So let's explore. Do we have the same image of Bugatti? Okay. Yeah, we do have the same image of Bugatti. This is the same image that we had uploaded. We can see this is the same image that we had uploaded. So we have got the image link in Discord. Now basically this is the whole process. You upload a file or an image in your Google Drive. It will be shared as a link on Discord. Now to begin the actual integration process, in the new tab, let me just type pabbly.com. So your obvious question is, why pabbly.com? Well, we have an app called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate Google Drive and Discord. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Let me just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own account in just 2 minutes. So let me just scroll down, and here you will find Connect. Just click on Access now. Okay, so basically we are going to create a new workflow. Now before I create a new workflow, there is something I have to do. So let me just scroll down and let me show you the workflow. So as you can see, I have already integrated Google Drive and Discord. That is why we had got the result in Discord. Now this is an old workflow, so I'm going to switch this off. The reason being that I'm going to create a new workflow, and if this old workflow runs in parallel to the newly created workflow, it will create the problem of duplication of result. Basically the same link will be shared twice on Discord. We don't want that, so I have switched off this workflow. But in your case, we don't have to be concerned because we are just going to start from scratch by clicking on create workflow. So I'm going to give a name. How about Google Drive to Discord? Okay, so this is the name. Let me just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Google Drive, because we will be sending the data from Google Drive. Google Drive, okay, this one. Now in the trigger event, we want to set a trigger event. How about new file in a specific folder? So the idea is that if a new file is uploaded in a very particular folder, the data will be sent. Okay, so new file in a specific folder is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if this condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new file is uploaded in a specific folder, then what action should be taken by the system? Now we do have one more trigger event, that is new file. Now in case if you want more trigger events according to your choice, all you have to do is just approach the help section, click here, and when you click on the help section, you will be directed to Pabbly forums. Now in Pabbly forums, you can make a request that you want so and so triggers. So you just approach here in the feature request and make a request that you want such and such triggers. Okay, so let me just go to Pabbly Connect and let me just click on connect. Okay, so in the new credentials, let me just click on connect with Google Drive. Now, as you can see, these are the series of accounts we have. Let it load. Okay, so these are the series of Gmail accounts I have actually, and I'm interested in sharing the files from this account. Okay, so I'm selecting this one. So the idea is that the Pabbly Connect will receive the data from this particular Google Drive. So it is asking me to confirm my choice. So before I press allow, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. So on the basis of that trust, let me just press allow. Okay, excellent. The authorization is successful. Just press OK. Now, as you can see, by default, it is showing a field that is folder. And in the folder, we have a folder that is showing programming errors. This is because we only have one folder. So let me just take you to my Google Drive and let me just show you that folder. And Let me just let it load. Okay, so as you can see, we have only one folder, that is programming errors. So that is why it is being reflected here, programming errors. Now I plan to create one more folder. Okay, so let me just create a folder, and this folder will be about cars. Okay, and let me just click on create. Okay, so it is getting created. Yes, a folder called as cars has been created. So let me just go to Pabbly Connect and let me just refresh this. So I can expect to find this newly created folder, that is cars, in the drop down. Yes, we do have the folder that is cars. We have selected it. Now the idea is that when we click on save and send test request, it will fetch the data of the recently created file in this particular folder. Now in our case, let me just show you. Let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so as you can see, the response is giving 0, basically nil. This is because in this folder, since this folder was a newly created folder, we hadn't uploaded any kind of file. So what I'm going to do here is, first I'm going to click here and I'm going to upload a file. So how about we upload one more PNG image? Okay, so let me just click on new and let me just click on upload a file. Okay, so let me just so what I'm going to do here is, I'm just going to go to quick access and I'm going to upload one more image. Okay, so how about we upload the image of a Ferrari? Okay, so the image of a Ferrari is getting uploaded. So your obvious question is, why are we working with images only? Well, actually there is something I have to show you. You can actually upload your spreadsheet, Google Docs, it doesn't really matter. All can be saved or sent to Discord. But I'm going to apply the filter. So basically the idea is that when a particular type of folder is uploaded, then only the data will be sent to Discord. Okay, so the file has been uploaded, that is a PNG image of a Ferrari. So this is the image, let it load. Okay, so this is the image, okay, image of the Ferrari car. And what I'm going to do here is, I'm just taking you back to Pabbly Connect. And once again, I'm going to click on save and send test request. This time it will show the image. This time it will show the response. So basically this is the ID. Okay, this is the ID of the image. Okay, so this is something really important you have to know. Now, so other than that, what we are going to do here is, we are going to make sure that only when a particular set of file is uploaded in Google Drive, only that file is sent on Discord. For example, if I upload a spreadsheet, okay, if I create or upload a spreadsheet in Google Drive, that file won't be sent. If I create a document or upload a document, it won't be sent. Only, let's say, an image will be sent. So that's the idea I'm going with. That is why I'm planning to apply a filter. So let me just scroll down. Now this is a very redundant step. You really don't have to do it, because if your idea is that any kind of file is uploaded in Google Drive, that type of file will be sent in Discord, then this step is unnecessary. But I'm going with the premise that if I upload only the images, then the data should be given to Discord. So that is why I am applying filter. Okay, I'm repeating it again. This step is redundant. It's not necessary. You can just avoid this step. Okay, so in the choose app, we have made it as filter by Pabbly. Okay, so now we have to select the condition. The condition is, if the file type is image, okay, then only the data should be sent. Now we are just going to click here, go to the accordion, and I'm just going to type image. Okay, so this is the condition I'm going to give. My type image, that is PNG, and I'm going to enter the condition image/PNG. Okay, so we have set the condition. So when I click on save and send test request, it will show the condition as true, because it is indeed true. Because at present the image is equal to image/PNG. So let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the condition is true. So basically we have established the condition. If a file is uploaded in Google Drive, and if the file is PNG image, then only it will be shared on Discord. Now if you don't want this step, it is really redundant. You don't have to create this step, you can just avoid it. Okay, so we have set up the condition. Now basically we have the image. Okay, now we want to share it. Okay, so we will be sharing it via Google Drive. So let me just click on this plus button and another action window opens up. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Google Drive. Google Drive. Okay, Google Drive it is. Now in the action event, how about we make it as share a file with anyone. So where is it? Where is it? Yeah, this one, share a file with anyone. Let me just click on connect. Okay, so let me just again click on connect with Google Drive. So you already know the drill. We are going to select the account with which we have uploaded the file. Okay, in my case this is the one. Okay, so we have selected it. Okay, so the file is getting uploaded. I mean, the authorization is getting completed. Okay, excellent. Okay, so let me just click on allow. Let me just click on allow. Okay. Okay, so it is again asking me to confirm my choice. Let me just press allow. Okay, so as you can see, we have connected with a different file, I think so. So let me just once again click on connect because I'm not sure with which set we have connected with. So let me just once again go back because I'm not really sure with which Google Drive we have connected with, because it was asking me once again that you want to share. It should not be asking that. So let me just once again click on. Okay, so this was the drive. Okay, so let me just click here. So this was the one, we have selected it. Okay. Okay, so the authorization is complete. Now it is by default showing the file ID, that is bugatti.png. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to make some changes and I'm going to make it as ferrari.png. Now this is the file that we want to share, but there is something wrong in this. This is a very static ID. Okay, so what's the meaning of static ID? So basically if a file, let's say, what's the other name? How about a Lamborghini? If an image of Lamborghini is uploaded here, this data won't change. Okay, so this is not a dynamic ID. This is basically a static one. So first of all, I'm just going to change this, okay, by toggling this to the right, going to remove this, okay, and I'm going to enter the dynamic one. So this is the dynamic ID we want. So we have mapped it. Excellent. So all we have to do at this point is just click on save and send test request. Okay, so we have the API response and it is showing the link. Okay, so basically this is the link that we are going to share. So I'm just going to copy this, okay, and I'm just going to open this in a new tab. So let me just show you the link that we are going to share it on Discord. So this is the link. Okay, so this is the same image of the Ferrari. Excellent. So what we are going to do here is we are going to share this link on Discord. So to do that, let me just introduce one more action window. So in this action window, we are going to use the choose app as Discord. Discord it is. Now in the action event, how about we make it as send channel message? Okay, send channel message it is. Then click on connect. In the new credentials, let me just click on connect with Discord. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, there is something you have to do. So basically it is asking me with which server we want to connect. Now the server that we are working on is at present is Magenta. Now, okay, so this is the server that is Magenta. So before I integrate or before we create a new workflow for a specific Discord channel, I am actually going to delete this old server. The reason being is the Discord is having some issues these days. And if you are working with the old server, it won't send the data. It will have trouble with authorization. So what I'm going to do here is first, I'm going to delete this particular server. Okay. So this is how you delete. So let me just go to the server setting and let me just click on delete server. Okay. So this is the name that we have to type. So this is the name of the server, Magenta. And let me just click on delete server. Okay. So the server has been deleted. Excellent. So what I'm going to do here is next, I'm just going to create one more server. Okay, for your consideration, I'm going to create one more server. So let me just click on create my own for me and my friends. And the server name is about Pinkish. Pinkish. Okay. So our server name is ready. Let me just click on create. Okay, so it is getting created. Okay, so a new server called as Pinkish has been created. So let me just go to Pabbly Connect, okay, And once again, let me just click on connect. And in the new credentials, let me just click on connect with Discord. Okay, so it is not showing the server that we have recently created. So let it load once again, because we are going to send the channel message on the server that is pinkish. Okay, so I hope this time we have the server that is pinkish. Yes, we have the server that is pinkish. Okay, let me just click on continue. Okay, let me just click on authorize. Now it will be asking that are you a human or something. So it's kind of taking time. Okay, of course I'm a human. Okay, I hope the authorization, yes, the authorization is successful. Now my point is very clear that if you are having problem with authentication in case of Discord, you actually have to delete the old server that is running your channel, and then you have to create a new server, and then you have to integrate it with Pabbly Connect. So this is something wrong with Discord, not from Pabbly's perspective. Okay, so as you can see, we have two extra blanks to fill, the webhook ID and the webhook token. Now these details can be found by creating one more action window. Okay, so this is something that we don't have, the webhook ID and the webhook token. We already know the text message. So basically here we will be entering the link of the Google Drive, the link of the image. Okay, so but we don't have the data of the webhook ID and the webhook token. So first we are going to create that. So let me just introduce one more action window in between this window and this window. Okay, so again we are going to use Discord. Okay, so in the choose app Discord it is. This time we are going to create the action event as get channel ID or something, get channel webhook ID or something. So this is the action event. Okay, get channel webhook. Yeah, this one, get channel webhook. So using this action event, we are going to get the webhook ID and the webhook token. In the new credentials, let me just click on connect with Discord. Okay, so how about we just go to the old setting. Okay, we are not just going to create one more, we are just going to the old setting, and let me just click on save. Okay, so as you can see, by default it is showing the text channel. Okay, and for the text channels there is no webhook. So basically we have created a new server that is known as pinkish. Now in the pinkish channel there is only one channel, that is general. So for this channel there is no webhook. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to create a new webhook. Okay, so as you can see there is no webhook. That is why it is showing the webhook as, it is returning the webhook as nothing, nil. So we are going to create a new webhook. So let me just create a webhook. So how about I give the name as Drive Google, just a random name. Okay, and let me just click on save changes. Okay, so a new webhook has been created. Its name is Drive Google. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to refresh this. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, it is not returning anything because we actually have to change the channel as a general. Okay, so let us see. We have the webhook associated with it. Okay, so let it load. So as you can see, we do have the webhook associated with this particular channel, that is general. So let me just click on save and send test request. So when we click on save and send test request, we will find the webhook ID as well as the webhook token. So basically this is the ID we want. Okay, so this is the ID we want. We are going to map this particular detail here. Okay, we are going to map this particular detail here. And there is something else, that is the token. So where is the token? So let me just show you the token. So this is the token. Okay, yeah. So this is the token we want. We are going to map this particular detail here. Okay, we are going to map this particular detail here. So to get these details, let me just click on connect once again. Okay, and let me just click on save. Okay, so I think we are ready. So we are just going to keep mapping all the details. So the webhook ID is this. We are just going to click here. And let me just click on get channel webhook. Okay, the fourth accordion, and we are just going to map in the ID. Okay, so our ID is ready. Then we are going to map in the webhook token. So this is the webhook token, and we have mapped it. Excellent. Now coming to the message text. So message text is basically the file ID. So this is the one we want. Okay, this is the link. Okay, let me just add the link and we are ready. Now coming to the bot name, I'm just going to enter my name. So my name is Michael. Okay, and we are ready. The bot icon, well, we don't have any data. I'm not going to paste any URL. I'm just happy with my icon, the default icon. All we have to do is just click on save and send test request to send the message. So the response is giving the data has been sent. So let's have a look. So let me just cancel this. So as you can see, it is showing the image of the Ferrari car. Okay, so this is the same image link we have. So the presence of this message shows that we have successfully integrated Google Drive and Discord with help of Pabbly Connect. Now before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So I'm just going to minimize this action window, and I'm going to minimize this action window, and I'm going to minimize this action window, going to minimize this action window, and I'm going to minimize the trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Google Drive to Pabbly Connect, and then you have uploaded a specific file. Now this step, that is filtered by Pabbly, is redundant. This step is only applicable when only you want to send a particular set of file to Discord. In my case, I just want to send the image type of file, the png.of file. That is why we have set the condition that if the image file is uploaded in Google Drive, then only the data should flow to Discord. Now this step is redundant. If you want, you can just erase it. It's not really necessary. Now coming to the third step, so basically you've created a shareable link in Google Drive, and then you have integrated Discord so that you get a channel webhook, and you have entered the channel webhook and the channel token, webhook token, and after that you map the basically map the link into the message section, and then you have sent, and then you have clicked on save and send test request to send the message. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Google Drive and Discord. Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to add Google Form responses to Discord automatically. So obviously you are familiar with Google Forms. It is an awesome form builder, and Discord is an instant messaging platform. So imagine this. You are running an online bookstore with your team, and you are using Google Forms to get the details of your customer. Now the idea is that once the form is submitted by a customer, the details of this response should be conveyed to your team on Discord automatically. But the issue here is there is no active connection between Google Forms and Discord. So in cases like these, we have to bring an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate Google Forms and Discord. The best part of using this process is a person without any technical background can perform this little integration very easily. Now before I show you the steps, how about we begin with a real-time example. Okay, so this is a Google form that I have built. It has been titled Parties Free Online Book Form, and this is my Discord account. So the idea is that once the form is filled by a customer, the details of that particular submission will be shown on this particular channel in Discord. So let us do the experiment. So we have a guy called as Thompson Grease. This is the name, Thompson Grease. His age is, let's say, 45. This is the email address, thompson123wordy@gmail.com. And the book he is interested is, let's say, beekeeping. And the submission has been made by Thompson Grease. So let's have a look. Do we have the details of Thompson Grease in this particular channel? And yes, we do have it. So as it says, new customer data. The name is Thompson Grease, age is 45, the email is thompson123wordy@gmail.com. The book selected is beekeeping. This is the time of submission. So you must be thinking, how did I do it? How did I manage to send the data from Google Forms to Discord? Now to send the data from Google Forms to Discord, it will involve just 3 easy steps. I repeat again, just 3 easy steps. You are going to integrate Google Forms and Discord. So first of all, you have to visit Pabbly Connect. Now in the step 1, you are going to connect Pabbly Connect to Google Forms with the help of webhook URL. Simply put, you are going to copy the webhook URL from Pabbly Connect and paste it into Google Forms. Now in the second step, you are going to collect the data from Google Forms in Pabbly Connect. Simply put, you are going to make a submission in Google Forms. The data of that submission will be collected in Pabbly Connect. Now in the step 3, you are going to use the same submission data that was done in Google Forms to frame a message in Discord and send it on a Discord channel. Now the importance of creating this workflow is all you have to do is just build this workflow for once. because whenever there is a new form submission in Google Forms, automatically the message will be displayed on Discord. Okay, so to begin the integration process, in the new tab, just type pabbly.com, 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 press enter. Now you have a question. Why the hell are we working in incognito mode? Well, the answer is very simple. If you are working with the integration of Google Forms to any other app, it will involve the creation of Google Sheets. Now, if you are going to work with Google Sheet, the problem is there will be authentication issues if you have multiple Gmail accounts. So to avoid authentication issues, it is always advisable that you work in incognito mode. Okay, so this is the website pabbly.com. All you have to do is just click on sign up for free. In my case, I have already built an account. So that is why when I click here, I will be brought to the app section of Pabbly. So as you can see, this is the app section of Pabbly. Scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm planning to give it as Google Forms to Discord. Of course, you can give any name according to your choice. And let me just straight away click on create. So when you click on create, you will find two windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. Now I want to send the data from Google Forms. So in the choose app, let me just add Google Forms. Google Forms it is. Okay, so now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new response in spreadsheet? Okay, so as you can see, when you click on new response in spreadsheet, you will find the webhook URL. And these are the instructions to integrate Google Forms to Pabbly Connect. So let's get started. So this is the Google form I am interested in integrating with. Penguin free online book form. So let me just cancel this one. Okay, let me just remove this one also. So as you can see, we have the same fields. Okay, your name, your age, your email, and select one book. So basically it is just the copy of the old form. So we are going to integrate this form to Pabbly Connect. Now the integration of Google Forms involves the creation of Google Sheet. So I'm talking a lot about Google Sheet. So what's the deal with Google Sheet? So what I'm going to do here is, first of all, let me just scroll down and here you will find the last field. This is known as select one book. In my case, this is my last field, select one book. In your case, figure out your own last field and just click here. So make sure that the last field is mandatory. Click on required. Excellent. Now scroll up. And here you will find responses. Click on responses. And here you will find an icon to create a spreadsheet. Just click it. So here you have two choices. Create a new spreadsheet, select existing spreadsheet. So we are going to create a new spreadsheet associated with this particular form. Just simply click on create. Okay, so as you can see, we have the columns, okay, the timestamp, your name, your age, your email, and select one book. And this is the name, Penguin Free Online Book Form Responses. So all the questions we have, all the fields we have is now being reflected as columns. Additionally, we have one more column, that is timestamp. Timestamp basically means the time at which the response was generated. So the idea is that if someone's make a submission on this particular form, the data of that particular form responses will be available as a row. So if someone sends or submits a form, the data will be available in this row, and then this row, this row, this row, and so on. So my point is, we are going to receive the data of the submission in this Google Sheet, and after that we are going to send it to Pabbly Connect. So let's get started. Simply put, we are going to integrate this particular Google Sheet to Pabbly Connect. So to begin the integration process, first of all, just click on add-ons. So when you click on add-ons, you will find an add-on called as Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Now, since you are beginning fresh, Pabbly Connect Webhooks might not have been installed in your Google Sheet. So first of all, just click on Get Add-ons. Okay, so when you click on Get Add-ons, you will find Google Workspace Marketplace in front of you. In the search, just type Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Click this. So as you can see, Pabbly Connect Webhooks is already installed in my Google Sheet. All you have to do is just click on this button and Pabbly Connect webhooks will be installed in your Google Sheet also. Now remember this, after installing Pabbly Connect webhooks, do not forget to refresh your Google Sheet. I repeat this again. After installing Pabbly Connect webhooks, do not forget to refresh your Google Sheet. Okay, so I am assuming that you have installed Pabbly Connect webhooks in your Google Sheet and also refreshed your Google Sheet. So moving to add-ons, click on add-ons, go to Pabbly Connect webhooks, just click on initial setup. Okay, so this is the window of initial setup. Here we have to fill two fields, the webhook URL as well as the trigger column. Let's start with the easy one, the webhook URL. So this is my webhook URL. This is something I have mentioned earlier. I'm just going to copy this, and after that, I'm just going to paste it here. So easy. Now we have to mention the trigger column. The trigger column is always the last data entry column. I repeat this again. The trigger column is always the last data entry column. In our case, the last data entry column is column E. So that is why I'm going to mention the trigger column as column E. Just simply click on submit. Okay, so the window disappears. Now there is one minor thing that you have to do. Go back to add-ons, clicking on Pabbly Connect webhooks, just click on send on event. So this will ensure that anytime column E is filled, it will keep on sending the data to Pabbly Connect, and Pabbly Connect is ready to receive the data. Awesome. So what we're going to do here is we are going to make a submission. So let me just go to my Google form. Okay, let me just click on preview. So this time a person called as Matthew Perry is making the submission. The name is Matthew Perry, his age is 78, and this is his email address, michaelkaras481@gmail.com, and he is interested in studying C++. Okay, so this is the book he is going after. So let me just click on submit. Okay, so the submission has been made by Michael Karas, or the person called as Matthew Perry. So let's have a look. Do we have the details of this particular submission in Google Sheets? Okay, so yeah, we do have the details of the submission in Google Sheet. So let me just improve the format. Okay, so let me just click at center. Okay, so now this is looking good. Okay, so the submission has been made. We have the time of the submission. We have the name of the submitter. We have the age, that is 78. We have his email address and the book that he is interested in, C++ full tutorials. So as you can see, column E has been filled. So let's have a look. Did Pabbly Connect capture the data of this particular column? Oh, I'm sorry, this particular data. So let's have a look. Yes, we do have the data. So this is the time, this is the name, Matthew Perry, this is the age, this is the email, this is the book that he is interested in, and there is one more detail, that is row index. So what is row index? So as you can see, this is the row, that is row number 2. So this is the data, that is row index, that is 2. So using these details, we are going to frame a message, and this message will be delivered on Discord so that our team members can understand that we have a new customer. So let's go to the action window, and here in the choose app, let me just add Discord. So here we have two choices, Discord and Discord discontinued. So obviously we can just ignore this one. Let's go with this one. Okay, so now in the action event, how about we make it as send channel message? Simply just click on connect. Now, actually my Discord account is open. Okay, I have already logged in, so Pabbly Connect automatically figured that out. So as you can see, we have some fields, the webhook URL, the message, the bot name, the bot icon, and text to speech. So let's start with this one, the webhook URL. So this is my Discord channel, okay, and this is the server I'm working with, Books and Books. And initially I was working with this particular text channel, #BartyBooks. Now for your consideration, I'm going to create a new channel. Okay, so this will be on Penguin Books. So let me create a new channel, and the name of the channel will be Penguin Books. Okay, and let me just straight away click on create channel. Okay, so a new channel has been created called as Penguin Books. Now of course you can send the message to other channels. You just have to select the channel name in the webhook. I will tell you that, don't worry. So first of all, as I mentioned, we have to figure out the webhook URL. So that is why we have created a new channel. So just click here, okay, and here you will find the option server settings. Click on server settings, and here you will find the option that is integrations. Click on integrations. Okay, so as you can see, we have the choice for webhooks, and as you can see, I have already created one webhook. Now for your consideration, I'm going to create one more webhook. So let me just click on add new webhook. Okay, so we have to give a name to this webhook. If you are not happy with Captain Hook name, I'm just going to change it to, let's say, Penguin Books webhook. Just a random name, nothing more. Okay, so we have created the name. Okay, we have entered the name. Now what's next? So we are going to change the channel name. As you know that this particular server has 3 channels. Now these are the 3 channels we have. One is the general one. This is the party books that we have sent the message on while I was showing the example. Okay, and this is the newly created one. So I want to send the message on this newly created channel. Hashtag Penguin Books. So I'm selecting this one. I'm just going to copy the webhook URL. Okay, the webhook URL has been copied and I'm going to paste it here. So easy. Okay, so what's next? Just click on Save Changes. Essentially, this means that we have integrated Discord to Pabbly Connect. Now let's frame the message. So these are the information that we will be using to frame the message. So it would be something like new customer data. Okay, new customer data. And after that, I'm just going to enter name. Okay, dash, and let me just map the name of the person, that is Matthew Perry. Okay, and what I'm going to do here is, let me just straight away click on save and send test request. So when I click on save and send test request, it basically means the response will be available in Discord. So as you can see, it is now showing new customer data name Matthew Perry. Now this is looking very clumsy because all of them in one single line. I want to enter the data in different lines. So what I'm going to do here is, I'm just going to introduce bracket br/. So it will just show you that this particular code will work like the same thing that press enter works. Okay, it will introduce this in a new line. Okay, so once again, let me just click on save and send test request and you will understand the difference. So as you can see, we have a new line that is name, that is Matthew Perry. Okay, we have 2 different lines. Now I hope it is getting clear to you. So what I'm going to do here is, once again, I'm just going to enter br/. Okay, easy. After that, I'm going to enter his age. Okay, I'm sorry, age dash, and this is the age. Okay, and once again, to create a new line. Excellent. After that, we have the email. Now if you are still worried where this data came from, remember this data came from here, and this actually came from the Google form submission that we had made earlier. Okay, so we have the email now. Okay, dash, and then we have the email br dash. Okay, and there is one more thing, that is book selected. Book selected. Okay, dash. So this is the book name, and we can also include the timestamp or the time when this book submission, when this submission was made. So let me introduce one more line. Okay, time of submission, and okay, so this is the time. So I think we are ready. Okay, so once again, let me just enter the name of the person. So I will be sending this message as Penguin admin. Okay, so this will be the bot name, and we can introduce the bot icon by entering the bot URL, which actually supports JPG, GIF and PNG formats. but I'm not interested in entering the bot icon, so I'm just going to ignore it. Now, if you want to make sure that the message that arrives is read and in a voice, you can actually change it to enable, but I'm not interested. Let's keep it as disabled because after a while it can be quite annoying. So once again, let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so let's have a look. Yes, new customer data. The name is Matthew Perry in new line. We have the age 78 in new line, the email, the book selected C++ full tutorials, the time of submission. Excellent. So the presence of this particular message shows that we have a successful integration between Google Forms and Discord. So the idea is that you just build this workflow for once, because every time a new submission happens in Google Form, it will be reflected as a message on Discord. Now before you leave, let me just show you the whole mechanism. So let me just minimize this action window and let me just minimize the trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Google Forms to Pabbly Connect and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Discord. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Google Forms and Discord.
Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Google Calendar and Discord. So the use case here is, whenever a new event is created in Google Calendar, automatically send channel message in Discord. Now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Google Calendar is a calendar service by Google, whereas Discord is an online chat and communication platform. The issue here is that Google Calendar and Discord don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help you to transfer data from Google Calendar to Discord. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. Okay, so here I am at Google and now I will go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly and now I'm going to hover over this product section and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I'm going to sign in. Okay, so now because I've already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. You just have to clone the template of the workflow. The link for the same is available in the description below the video. Once you clone the template, you will immediately get access to this workflow in your account. Okay, so now I am going to scroll down and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and you can see so many workflows that have already been created over here. So now I'm going to create a new workflow and I'm going to click on this button over here. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow and I'm going to name it as Calendar to Discord. Now I'm going to create it. So now here in Choose App, first I am going to choose Google Calendar. And now in Trigger Event, according to our workflow, whenever a new event is created in Google Calendar, we want to send Discord channel message. That is why we are going to select New Event over here because this is our trigger event. Now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger event? Let me tell you that automations run on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, whenever a new event is created in Google Calendar, we want to send channel message in Discord. That is why new event created in Google Calendar will be our trigger event, whereas sending channel message in Discord will be our action event. So now I'm going to connect with Google Calendar. Now under credentials, you can see we have two options, create new credential or you can select any existing credentials like this. Now in order to create new credential, you have to connect with Google Calendar. So now here you have to choose in which account you want to connect your Google Calendar. So I'm going to choose the account. I'll allow it. You don't have to worry about your data. Everything is 100% safe and secure with Pabbly Connect. So now under calendar, you can see we have three options. So I'm going to choose this one. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So now this API response is of the last event that might have been created in Google Calendar.
So now what I'm going to do is I'll go to my Google Calendar and then we are going to create an event and then we are going to click on save and send test request. So I'll go to my Google Calendar and now we are going to create an event over here. So now here I am going to create an event on 28th Jan. So here you can see 28th January. Let us create an event over here. Meeting regarding audit. Okay, the date is going to be same. Add guest. If you want to add some guest, you can directly add here. Location, description. Meeting for audit. Everyone from the finance department have to attend the meeting. Okay, so I have created this description over here. Now I'm going to save it. Okay, so we have added this event over here on 28th. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect. And now I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so you can see we have got our API response over here. You can see meeting regarding audit and you can also see the description written over here. Okay, so now I'm just going to save it. Okay, so here we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integration of Google Calendar and Pabbly Connect. Now we are going to begin with our second step integration where we will integrate Discord and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button. And here I am going to choose Discord. And now here in action event, you can see we have so many options over here. We have to select send channel message because we want as soon as an event is created in Google Calendar, we want to send channel message. That is why send channel message will be our action event. Now I am going to click on connect with Discord. Now you can see again create new or select existing credential. I'm going to let it be new credentials. You can choose whichever option you want. Now I'm going to connect with Discord. I'm going to select a server over here. Continue. Authorize. Okay. Okay, so now here you can see we have some empty fields and we have to fill the information according to our response. So you can see first it is asking us for the webhook ID and the webhook token. So in order to get our webhook ID and webhook token, what we have to do is we have to use this get channel webhook method. You can see over here. So in order to use this method, we have to add an action step over here. So here I am going to choose Discord. And now here in action event, I am going to choose get channel webhook because we need our webhook ID and webhook token. So now I'm going to connect. So now here I'm going to choose the credentials that we used last. Save. Okay, so now here you can see channel. So now under channel, we have created many channels in our Discord account. You can see I have these 4 channels. So I have created this channel called Google Calendar Discord. So I'm going to choose this channel over here. Let us see, it is here. I'm going to choose it. So now here you can see webhook, nothing is showing over here because I have not created the webhook inside the channel. So now I'll go back to my Discord and this is the channel that I have created. So I'll go to my settings and here you can see integrations. So now I'm going to create a webhook over here. So I'll just create it. So I'm just going to name it as Spidey bot itself. Okay, so the channel is here. Okay, so we have a webhook over here. Now I'll just go back to Pabbly Connect. I'm just going to refresh it once. Okay, so you can see it has mapped the name of our webhook, that is Spidey bot. Now I'm just going to click on save and send test request. So you can see we have our API response over here. If you come down, you can see the token is over here and this is the webhook ID. And if you come down, here is the webhook token. Okay, so now we are just going to save it. So now I'm just going to connect this again so that our workflow gets refreshed. Okay, so now in our webhook ID, I am just going to map the webhook ID that we got from our API to. It is here. So this is the ID. Okay, so now webhook token, we have our token also. So the token is here. Okay, message text. So here I'll just map the description. Text to speech, I'll let it be false. Bot name. So here I'm going to give a bot name, Google Calendar. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so we have got our API response. I am just going to click on save once. Okay, so now it's time to go to Discord channel and then we are going to check if a new message has come there or not. So I'll go to my Discord. I'll just close this. So you can see we have a message over here, meeting for audit. Everyone from the finance department have to attend the meeting. So we have a message over here. We have successfully finished our integration of Google Calendar and Discord over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So I'll go back to my Google Calendar and I'm going to create a new meeting again. So let me create a meeting on 13th of January, that is here. So, okay. Meeting regarding new recruitment. Okay. Description. This meeting will be held for HR department. Kindly be present. Okay. Save. Okay, so I've added this meeting over here, meeting regarding new recruitment. Now what I'm going to do is we'll go back to Discord and then we are going to check if we have got a new message there or not. Okay, so you can see we have the message over here. So the thing here is that you might get a little bit delay in the response. But here you can see I have got the response over here. So we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to explain you what has happened in our example. I'll just minimize these. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information came from Google Calendar to Pabbly Connect. Then from Pabbly Connect, the information went to Discord. So now every time a new event is created in Google Calendar, automatically a channel message will be sent in Discord. So we have successfully finished the integration of Google Calendar and Discord using Pabbly Connect.
Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. My name is Akib and here I'm going to show you how you can connect Telegram with Discord. So guys, here we are going to connect these two applications with the help of an automation which will connect Telegram with Discord in such a way that as and when you receive or send any file in a group in Telegram, the same file is going to be delivered on Discord in a server automatically. Okay, so this automation is going to help you a lot in saving your manual efforts and time, and it will also help you to easily engage your audience on both of these applications. Let me show you how. So the flow of this automation is going to look like this. Here, as and when you receive or send a file in a group here in Telegram, the same file, whether it be a video file, a photo, or any other type of document, the same file is going to be delivered and shared with your Discord audience as well automatically. So here you need not to manually copy paste the data between these two applications. So it will surely save a lot of your time and manual efforts. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So anyone can set up this automation very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. Okay. So for this, you can check the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will provide you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay. So after setting up your account, you can log in again and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Okay. And here guys, you have to start working by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button like this. And here you can give any suitable name to this workflow. So let me fill the name here. So guys, here I have given the name to this workflow as send Telegram files on Discord automatically. Okay, now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created on this page like this. And here you will find these two things. First, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards that trigger. As in every use case, the trigger would be receiving or sending off a message on a group in Telegram, and the response or the action towards that trigger would be to send the same message with the same kind of file on Discord as well automatically. Okay, so first of all, you have to set up this trigger here. So first of all, click here on this trigger section, and from this choose app field, choose your trigger application. So our trigger application is Telegram here. Okay, so you can reverse this workflow also, but right now I am starting with Telegram. So here search for Telegram bot, select it, and here in the trigger event you have to select the set webhooks and watch updates option. Okay, select it, then click on connect, and from here you have to select add new connection, and it will ask for this token key. So guys, here you have to follow these few steps, and in these steps you first have to create a bot in Telegram application, then you have to add that same bot in a group then in which you want to send the messages, and you have to make that bot admin of that group. Okay, so you can read these instructions written here. Let me show you how you can actually do this. So this is my Telegram's dashboard, Telegram web, and this is a group I am managing. The name of the group is my audience. Okay, so this is a demo group I have just created to show you how it is going to work. And guys, from the search bar, search for bot father. So you have to click on this blue ticked bot father icon. Okay, right, and here you have to send a message to this bot. Just click on start. Okay, and to create a new bot you have to send a message which is /new bot, this one, send it. Okay, and it will give you a reply which is this: all right, a new bot. How are we going to call it? Please choose a name for a bot. So here you have to give a name to your bot. So let me give the name as, let's say, Discord bot. Let's say this just Discord only. Okay, so it has replied us good. Now let's choose a username for a bot, and it must end in bot. For example, Tetris bot or Tetris underscore bot. So now you have to provide a username to your bot. So let me give the username as Discord underscore 1 underscore bot. Okay, so this username is already taken. Let me use a different version. Okay, this is also taken. Let me use a different type of name. And here you can see we have created a new bot. It is showing done. Congratulations on your new bot. You can find this bot at this address. This is our bot, Discord underscore 2 underscore bot. And here you will find this access token key, which is the API key. So you just have to copy this key first. Just copy this key. Okay, and come to Pabbly Connect and enter this token key here. Okay, and click on save, and you will be connected with Discord. Okay, sorry, Telegram. So we are connected with Telegram, and you have to remember one more thing, that you have to add this bot, which is this bot, into the group in which you want to send the messages, and you want to make this bot as an admin. Okay, so you can do this with the help of your smartphone very easily. I cannot show you this on my screen, but you can do it. So guys, here you can see I have added this Discord bot in this group, my audience. Okay, and we have made the connection. Now click here on save and send test request here. So guys, it is started showing waiting for the response. Now you have to perform a test submission. This means now I'm going to send a demo message in the group that I have created, and we are going to capture the data of that message here so that we can move it forward to Discord. Okay, so here I am, let's say I am sending a photo or an image here. So I'm saying to my audience that hello people, let me show you my new image. Okay, so I'm just giving you a demo. You can customize the message according to yourself. Okay, and here I'm attaching a photo. So I'm attaching a photo here. Okay, right, this is the photo, and I'm clicking on send, and we have sent a message here. Okay, right, now let me show you in Pabbly Connect if we got the data of this message or not. And here you can see in this response received section, we got the messages data as this. It is showing the group's title, the group's type. Okay, and here you will find the message caption also like this. Okay, and here you will find the file ID as well, which is a file ID that you have attached in the message. Okay, now we want to send the same photo to Discord server. Okay, but right now we have photo in the message, but in the place of photo it can be a video, it can be a file, a kind of PDF file or anything else. Okay, so we have three ways here to send a message. You can send a message or receive a message with a photo, with a video, or with a file. So we are going to create three routes for these three kind of messages here in Pabbly Connect, so that we can properly send the files on Discord or the messages on Discord. Okay, so just click here on this actions tab, and from this choose app field, so choose this router here. You can see this router, select the router. Okay, so router is a feature of by Pabbly. By using this you can create paths according to the conditions. Okay, so we have three conditions right now. One is that when you get a message with a photo, other is with the video, and one more is with a file. So we are going to create three routes here. So let me rename this routes. Let me rename this first route. Let's say we are creating this first route for photo kind of messages. Okay, so I'm typing here photo type message. Okay, right, so just for your understanding I'm renaming these routes. Okay, this is not a compulsory thing. Now click on this set filter and action steps button, and here you will find a filter, and in this filter I'm going to select a label which I have received here in the first step. So here you can see we have received these labels here in which we have received this data from the Telegram, and here I have this photo message photo file ID label. So I'm going to use this ID label here in this filter. Let me show you. Click on set filters and action steps, and from this select label option, click on it, and you will find this Telegram bot option in the drop down, and from here only when you click on it you will see all the data that you have received in the first step. So from here only let me map this ID, which is the map this label, which is the file ID label. Map it, make the filter type is exists. Okay, so this means we are saying to Pabbly Connect that when this label, which is this photo file ID label, if this label exists, then only continue the workflow and send the photo. Okay, so click on save and send test request here, and it's showing the condition is true for now. Okay, now we got this message here in this first tab. Let me show you. We got this response here in the first tab in which we got the message, but we did not get the file attached here, which is the photo. Okay, we just got this file ID. So we are going to fetch out the file, the exact file that we have sent in the message with the help of this file ID only. Let me show you how. Come back to your second step, the router step. Click on set filters and action steps, and we have already created a filter. Now click here on this plus icon, and here you have to connect Telegram again. Search for Telegram in this action step. This is Telegram bot. Okay, select it, and in the action event you have to select now get file option. Let me show you where it is. Here it is, get file. So it will get a file according to the ID that you have received in the first step. So select this, then click on connect. Okay, now you can choose existing connection option because you have already made a connection in the trigger with Telegram. So now you can just click on select existing connection and just click on save, and you will be connected again with the Telegram like this. Okay, now it is asking file ID. So here I am going to map that ID which I have received in the first step. So just click here and you will find this Telegram step here, and click on it to map the ID which you got here, this one, right? Map it. Okay, then click on save and send test request. And here in this response you can get this file path, which is this. Okay, now with the help of this file path I'm going to send a message on Telegram. Okay, let me show you how. So just click here on this plus icon, and now to send the same photo on Telegram with the same message, you have to search for Discord here in this action step. This one is Discord, selected. Okay, and here in the action event you have to select send message option with this markdown option. Send a message to your channel with markdown syntax, select it, then click on connect. Okay, now it is asking for the webhook URL to make the connection. So you have to bring out the webhook URL from your Discord account. You can follow these instructions written here. You can click on this link and you will get to know the instructions written here. Here you can see it has given us the steps with the help of photos, how you can get a webhook URL from Discord. Let me show you the actual method. So here I am in my Discord server. So in my Discord server I have this general named text channel, and here I'm going to click on this edit channel icon. Okay, under this edit channel icon you will find this integrations tab. Click on integrations, and under this you will find this webhooks tab. Click on webhooks, and here you can create a new webhook by clicking on new webhook button. Just click on it, and here you can give a name to this webhook. So I am giving the name as from Telegram. Okay, now click on save changes, right? And then click on copy webhook URL button. Okay, and the webhook is copied. Now come back to your workflow and paste the webhook URL here in this field like this. Okay, now it is asking for the message that you want to send. So here you can map the message that you have received. So just click here and you will get the message from the first step. From this first step you can get the message text in the caption label. Let me show you, this is the caption. Okay, and here now you want to send a photo that you have attached in this message. So to send that photo you need to create a downloadable link of that photo, and you can create that with the help of this HTTP link. So you can see in the previous step from where you have collected this response in which you got the file path. You can see here it is written the file then can be downloaded via this link. So here you have to copy this link, and before the after this bot here you have to paste the token that you got when you have created the bot in the Telegram, and here you have to map the file path. Let me show you how you can do this. Just copy this whole URL till the file path. Just copy this, come back down to this second step, and here in this message let me paste this link. Okay, and here in this place of token I am going to copy and paste this token that you got from the bot father. So here we have created this bot and we got this API token. Just copy this again. Okay, come back to your message, and here in the place of path let me just, okay, I am going to paste this token, put an angle bracket, and here in this file path just remove this file path here. Okay, now you will get this file path from this second option where in this get file option where you have collected the file path. So when you click here you will find the response here, and from this response you can see this result. This is it, result file path. Just map it. Okay, so we are done creating a message here. Okay, so if you want to give a name to this bot, you can give a name as well. So I'm giving the name as Telegram bot, let's say. Okay, so this bot is going to deliver a message on Discord. So if you want to give a unique icon to this bot, you can paste a JPG link also. Right now I'm leaving this blank, and if you want that your bot should read out the message aloud to your members, you can make it enable here, text to speech. Right now I'm disabling it, I do not want it. Okay, and you can check the connection with Discord by clicking on save and send test request. And let me show you how your message will look like here. Let me open my text channel. This is my text channel, guys. Okay, and I'm clicking on save and send test request, and let's see. And now let's check in Discord if we got a new message. And here you can see in the general text channel, Telegram bot has delivered this message. This is a new message. You can see, hello people, let me show you my new photo. And we got a link here, which is this link. So let me click on this link and to show you how it is going to look like. And here it is showing description not found. Okay, so I think I have committed a mistake here. Okay, so let me remove this angle brackets from here, and then we will check again. So remove this angle brackets from here. Okay, and let me click on save and send test request again, and we have received a new message. And now you can see the image is attached here in the message. Okay, message only, right? And you can download this image from this link also. You can see the file is downloaded here. Okay, you can see the file as well. This is the same file that I have attached in the message. Okay, so our connection is with Discord is working fine and proper, and we have created the first route successfully. Now just click on save here. Okay, and click on done. So we have created a first route successfully. Now I'm going to clone this same route 2 more times for the video purpose and for the file purpose. Okay, so just click on this dots, clone this step. Okay, and then clone it this step again. Okay, and this is the extra route. Let's just delete this route here. Okay, right, and now let me rename this both cloned steps. So the second step, let's say we are creating the second step for video type messages. Okay, I'm updating this second route, and the third route would be for file type messages. So just for your understanding, I am renaming these routes. Click on update. Okay, now the things that you have to change here in these 2 steps, let me show you. Just click on set filter and action step. So guys, when you capture a video kind of response, Pabbly Connect in this first step will give you a different kind of label here in this response receive section. Right now we have received this label here, which is this file unique ID, and here it is written photo file unique ID. But when you send a video type message, this label is going to change. Okay, so to map the correct label here in this second and the third step, you need to capture the response again. Okay, so just click here on this recapture webhook response in the triggers step. Click on recapture webhook response, click on yes, and it will start showing this waiting for the response again. Now go back to your Telegram group, which is this, and here let me type another demo message for video type messages. So here I'm typing, hello people, check out this video. Okay, so this is just kind of a demo message I am using here, and here we have this MP4 file I am attaching here. Okay, and I'm clicking on send, and we have sent a message. Okay, now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the data of this video kind of message. And here you can see in this response receive section we got the data again. And now you can see the label is changed here, guys. In this response receive section you can see now the label is like this here you can see, and here you can see in this label we have this message video file ID. Okay, so now the label is changed. Now you have to map this changed label here in this second route, in this video type messages route, and the message label would be like this. In the filter step you have to select this label from this Telegram option, and that label would be this one, message type video file ID. Okay, then click on save and send test request again, and it will show you the condition is true. Okay, and here in the Telegram get file option you need to map this video file ID again from the Telegram option. You will find the label here which is the video file ID now. Okay, then click on save and send test request, and it will give you a new file path for the video kind of messages, and you will receive the file path here in this result label, result file path. And then you have to map this file path again in this Discord server step. So in this message you just need to change this file path only. You don't have to touch anything else in this link that you have created, and in place of the previous file path you need to change the file path again from this video type message step, map the file path. Okay, and you can check your connection also by clicking on save and send test request here again with your Discord server. So let me click on save and send test request, and let's see how the video message will look like in Discord server. Okay, let me show you the message, and here you can see this is the message we have received on Discord with this video attached here. Okay, so this is the same video we had in this message in Telegram, and the same video we have received here in Discord. Okay, right, so just click on save, and we are done setting up second route also. And for the third route I'm going to repeat the same method. I'm going to recapture the webhook response. Click on recapture, click on yes. Okay, now I'm going to send a file type message here, and I'm putting the message as this: hello people, check out this new file. Okay, and here I'm going to attach a file now. Okay, so this is the file I have. I'm attaching this, and I'm clicking on send, and you can see the file is getting sent here, and you can see the message is delivered. Okay, now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the data of this message. And here in this response receive section you can see the label is changed again, and here it is showing message document file ID. Okay, so I'm going to remap this here in this third route. Click on set filters and action steps, and from this filter now select the label from the Telegram step, which is this. Now the file ID is message document file ID. Click on save and send test request. The condition will be true again, and in the Telegram step map the file ID again from the Telegram trigger. Map the file ID, which is this. Let me show you. This is the document file ID label. Map it. Okay, click on save and send test request, and now you'll get a new file path for the document type messages in this result label. Now map this file path again here in this message. In place of this photo file path, just map this document file path, which is this. Okay, click on save and send test request, and you will receive a new message with document attached. Let me show you the message. Here you can see we got this message with this file link, PDF link, and from here only you can download the same file like this. Okay, so this is an yoga ebook which we got in Discord, and this the same thing we have attached here and send it on Discord. Okay, you can see same thing was delivered here previously. Okay, so this is how you can do it, guys, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to touch this workflow. After that, as and when you send a message in the group or you receive a message in the group via this bot, the same message is going to be delivered on your Discord server here, like these messages, automatically. And guys, the good part is you can use this same workflow that I've just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start running this automation instantly.
Hello everyone. So in this video, we will learn how to update payments on Discord channel. So imagine this, you are using Stripe to collect payments for your products. Let's say a guy called as John has made a purchase of $200. So you have all the details of John from Stripe. You have his name, email, and all those details. So you want to notify your team members on Discord. So here you have two choices. The first choice is copy all the details of John from Stripe, sort it out, compose a message, and manually send it on Discord. The problem with this approach is it's actually very repetitive and tiresome. So I would suggest that you bring in some automation, so that whenever a new payment is received in Stripe, it will automatically send a notification on Discord. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Stripe and Discord. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen. Okay, so we will begin with a small example. So as you can see, this is my Stripe account, and what we're going to do here is we are just going to create a dummy payment. So let me just click on create payment, and here I'm going to enter some payment details. Let's say the amount is $100. Okay, $100, and this is the customer called as Michael Karas. So this is the email of the customer, michaelkaras481@gmail.com. The description is random, the statement customer is Pabbly, and this is the Visa profile, the credit card profile of the person, that is Michael Karas. So what Michael Karas is going to do, he's going to click on submit payment. Okay. So a payment has been processed by a person called as Michael Karas. Okay, payment has been made by a person called as Michael Karas. So what we're going to do here is we are just going to look into Discord. Yes, we do have a message of the payment generated by Michael Karas. So the name is Michael Karas, the payment is $100, and this is the email, michaelkaras481@gmail.com. So basically this is the whole gist in a nutshell. So what we're going to do here is once a payment is made in Stripe, it will be reflected as a notification or a message in Discord. So to begin the actual integration process, first type pabbly.com. So your obvious question is, why pabbly.com? Well, because we have an app called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate Stripe and Discord. So this is the website of pabbly.com. Let me just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also build your own free account in just 2 minutes. So let me just scroll down, and here you will find Connect. Just click on Access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Now, before I create a new workflow, there is something I have to do. So as you can see, I already have made a workflow of integrating Stripe and Discord. So let me just shut off this workflow. So what I've done here is I've just toggled this to the left so that I can switch off this workflow. So if I don't switch off this workflow, the new workflow I will create, it will also create a problem of duplication of the result, because I will be creating one more workflow and there is this workflow. So both of them will create double results. So that is why I have switched off this old workflow. It is actually none of your concern. We are going to start from scratch by clicking on create workflow. So I'm going to give a name. So I'm going with the Stripe to Discord. Of course, you can give any name according to your discretion. Let me just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So basically, we are going to create a new workflow. Now, if you want to clone or replicate the workflow, I will make sure the link of this workflow is available in the description box. So here in the Choose app, how about we make it as Stripe? Because we want to send the data from Stripe. That is why. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new charge? Okay, so new charge is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks the question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new charge is made in Stripe, then what action should be taken by the system? We do have a ton of trigger events like new invoice, new order, new refund, new coupon, new plan, new invoice item, and so on. All of them are a bunch of trigger events. Now, in case if you want more triggers of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build more trigger events according to your choice. But at present, I just basically want to send the data when a new charge is made in Stripe. So basically, the gist is we are just trying to integrate Stripe to Pabbly Connect. So let's have a visit to Stripe. So this is my Stripe account. And to begin the actual integration process, first of all, click on Developers. Click this. Okay, so in the Developers tab, you will find the option called as Webhooks. Click this. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find an option called as Add Endpoint. Click this. Okay, so here we have to add an endpoint URL. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy this. So this is the webhook URL you want. Copy this and paste it here. Easy. Okay. Now coming to the description, we are just leaving it as blank. The version will remain as same. The events to send. Now this is the most important part. So basically we want to send the data when a new charge is succeeded in Stripe. So in the events, we just make it as charge dot succeeded. So basically the idea is that once the event is charge succeeded, when the charge is made, when a payment is made, it will send the data to Pabbly Connect. So let me just click on add endpoint. Okay, so we have successfully integrated Stripe to Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a new payment is made in Stripe, Pabbly Connect has to capture the data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, let me just click on this button, capture webhook response. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So what we're going to do here is we are going to make one more dummy payment. So let me just click on create payment. So let's say we are going to make a payment of $200. Okay, let's change it from US to Euro. The customer is, let's say this one, Aaron Manuel. And the description is random, the statement is Pabbly, and this is the Visa profile or the credit card profile of Aaron Manuel. And let me just click on submit payment. Okay, so a payment of $200 has been made. So basically what will happen is, since Pabbly Connect is integrated with Stripe, let's have a look. Pabbly Connect has captured this data or not. Okay, so as you can see, the data has been captured. So as you can see, we do have some details. Okay, so as you can see, this is the amount that is showing it as $20,000. Now, if you may remember, we had added the payment of $200. So there is a problem. There is a problem of decimals. So basically it has removed the decimals. Okay, so it has added 2 extra zeros, so which is wrong. So we have to work on that. Now coming to the part called as the customer name. So where is the customer name? I think we have added the name as Aaron Manuel, and the email was also Aaron Manuel 1991. So where are those? So as it may happen, all those details of the customer are actually stored in this address. So let me just show you the address. Okay, so it is actually stored in an address, and basically we have to retrieve that data from that particular address. So this is the address where the customer information is stored. Okay, so basically from this particular address we want to retrieve the information. So to retrieve the information from this particular address, we have to create one more window. So let me introduce one more window. So this window is called as the action window. Since we want to retrieve the information of the customer from Stripe, so let's make it as Stripe. Now in the action event, let me just scroll down and let me just click on retrieve a customer. Okay, and let me just click on connect with Stripe. In the new credentials, we have to enter the token. So to get the token, let's have a visit to Stripe once again. Just remove this, go back to developers. This time, instead of webhooks, we are going to click on API keys. Okay, so here we have two choices, the publishable key and the secret key. So here we basically want the token. So the token is basically your secret key. So just remove the privacy. Okay, so this is the key, copy this and paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the token. So let me just click on save. Okay, so basically we have a blank called as customer ID. So what we have to do here is we have to put this particular detail here. Okay, so let me introduce you to this button. This button is called as the mapping button. When we click this, we will find all the details that we have received from Stripe. So we have to put the customer ID. So basically this is, nope, I'm sorry, this is not the customer ID. I think it is above, a bit above. Okay, so this is the customer ID and we have mapped it. So when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch the data of the customer that has made a payment of $200. We already know the payment is made by a person called as Aaron Manuel. So let me just click on save and send test request to show the details of the customer. So yeah, we do have the email. So this is the email aaronmanuel1991@gmail.com. The name is Aaron and this is his phone number and the country of his residence is India. So basically now we have got all the details. So we are ready to compose a message in Discord. Now, before we do that, there is something else I have to show you. Okay, so this is something that I have shown you actually. So the payment of $200 was made, but it is now showing it as $20,000. So basically it has removed the dot. Okay, so now it is showing $20,000. So now we have to remove this additional extra 2 zeros. Okay, so to do that, let me just introduce one more action window. Okay, so we have introduced one more action window. So here in the choose app, how about we make it as API? This is the one. Okay, and in the action event, let's keep it as get. Now comes the most important part, the endpoint URL. So basically I'm pasting an endpoint URL. So your obvious question is where I'm going to get it. So I have put the endpoint URL in the description box. All you have to do is copy this endpoint URL and paste it here. Easy. Okay, so this is the endpoint URL. Now coming to the authentication. So we just have to click on set parameters. Okay, so here I'm just going to type amount, and here we have to mention the amount. So the amount is 20,000, and okay, so we have mapped it. So when I click on save and send a test request, it will trim the amount from 20,000 to 200. So let me just show you that. Okay, so as you can see, this is the amount, that is $200. So basically we have got all the information. We have got the customer information. We have to also trim the amount from 20,000 to 200. So now we have to notify our team members on Discord. So to do that, let me just introduce one more action window. So this is how you work. Anytime you have to work with another software, you just introduce one more action window. Okay, it's that easy. Okay, so now we just make it as Discord. Discord it is. Now in the action event, we just basically want to send a channel message. So let's make it as send channel message. Then click on connect with Discord. In the new credentials, connect with Discord. Okay, so now we have to select the server. So this is my server, and let me just click on continue. And these are the details of my server. Let me just click on authorize. Okay, so the authorization is made. Okay, click OK. So as you can see, when we have authorized the connection of Pabbly Connect to Discord, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blanks is very simple. So basically we have to enter the webhook ID here as well as the webhook token. So to get the webhook ID as well as the webhook token, we actually have to introduce one more action window. I promise you this is the last action window. Okay, so you don't have to worry. So this is the last action window. So basically we have to figure out our webhook ID as well as the webhook token. So once again, let's make it as Discord here. Okay, and in the action event, how about we make it as get channel webhook, and then let me just click on connect with Discord. In the new credentials, let's again connect with Discord. Okay, so this is something that we have done it before, so I'm just going to do it fast. Authorize. Okay. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. So as you can see in the channel, it is by default showing text channel. So basically I have a ton of channels. So these are all the channels that is present in my Discord account, and all those channels that is present here is being simply reflected in Pabbly Connect. This is because Discord is now thoroughly integrated with Pabbly Connect. So what if I select a channel called as, let's say, Bug channel. Okay, so this is the channel, and as you can see, it is showing by default its webhook. So this is the name of the webhook for this channel, that is Bug channel. So this is the channel, okay, Bug channel. Okay, and by default it is already showing the webhook called as Jericho. So what if I create a new channel? So what I'm going to do here is create a new channel. So the name of the channel is Stripe Payment, and let me just click on create channel. Okay, so a channel called as Stripe Payment has been made, and what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to Pabbly Connect, and let me just refresh this. Okay, so I can expect to find this newly created channel in the drop down. So as you can see, this is the channel, that is Stripe channel, Stripe Payment. Okay, so we have entered it. Now coming to the webhook. So as you can see, it is not showing any kind of webhook because this is a recently created channel. Okay, so we haven't created any webhook. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to create a new webhook for this particular channel. So let me just click on this gear icon. Okay, and let me just click on integrations. Okay, so as you can see, there is a webhook. There is no webhook at present, but we can create a webhook. So let's just create a webhook. Okay, so we have to give a name to this webhook. I'm going to give it as Stripey. Okay, just a random name. And let me just click on save changes. Okay, so a webhook called as Stripey has been created. So when I click on refresh, I can expect to find Stripey here. Okay, so as you can see, the channel is called as Stripe Payment and we have created a webhook called as Stripey. So when I click on save and send test request, it will give me the channel, the webhook ID as well as the webhook token. So let me just show you by doing it. Okay, so as you can see, this is the ID we want. And then we have, where is a token? Okay, so let me just show you the token. So this is the token. So as you can see, this is the token. So basically this ID will come here. Okay. And then the token. So basically this is the token and it will come here. Okay, it's that easy. So before we map all these details, let me just again click on connect with Discord so that we can enter all the details here. And let me just click on save. Okay, so basically this is the webhook ID. So let me just click on this button and we have to get the data from this particular accordion. So we have selected this and this is the ID that we want to map. So basically this is the same ID that we wanted to map. Okay, so we have put this ID here. Now coming to the webhook token, we are going to do the same process. Go to the fourth accordion and let me just click on token. Okay, so we have entered the webhook token. Now coming to the message text, we are going to type a very simple plain message. Hello, new payment generated. Okay, and in the next line, name. So the name of the person is I think it was Aaron. So this data will come from here. Okay, so the name is Aaron and we are going to search it. Okay, and the payment is of I think 200. Okay, so this is the data that we will find from API because we have trimmed the amount, so we have mapped it. Now coming to the last part, name, payment, and okay, we can add also the email. So this is the email. So this is the email. I'm sorry, the email will come from here once again. So this is the email and we have mapped it. Excellent. So this will be our message text. Hello, new payment generated. Name is Aaron Manuel. The payment is 200 and of course we can add dollars. Okay. And this is the email aaronmanuel1991@gmail.com. So what we're going to do here is in the bot name, we are going to mention the name as Michael. My name is Michael. And in the bot icon, we don't want any bot icon. So basically all we have to do at this point is just click on save and send test request. So let me do that. Okay, so it is showing the data has been sent. So let me just remove this. Okay, so this is the message. Hello, new payment generated. Name is Aaron Manuel. The payment is $200. This is the email aaronmanuel1991@gmail.com. So basically this is the message. So the presence of this message shows that we have successfully integrated Stripe and Discord with help of Pabbly Connect. Now before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So here I'm going to minimize my action window. I'm going to minimize this action window, going to minimize this action window, going to minimize this action window, and I'm going to minimize the trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Stripe to Pabbly Connect, and then you have again used Stripe action window to retrieve the data of the customer because this action window didn't give that. And you have used the API action window so that to trim the amount. Earlier the amount was $20,000 and we have trimmed it to the actual amount, that is $200. So you have used this action window to get that webhook ID as well as the webhook token. You have entered the webhook ID and the webhook token here. You composed a message in this channel, in this action window, and clicked on save and send test request to send the message. Excellent. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Stripe and Discord. Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.